Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you guys are doing well. So, here is the 17th and 18th chapter, the last two chapters of Bhagavad Gita. Here I have given the very short summary of each chapter. To know more about the whole chapter, I would request that you take the Bhagavad Gita in your home and read it because it has its own meaning, importance, and the experience that you will feel when you hold this book. It's a very, very holy book of our India. And if you are new to my channel, I request that you subscribe to my channel so every time if I upload a new video, you'll get the notification about it. And if you are already subscriber to my channel, you must have seen the previous videos in Hindi and English both of my Bhagavad Gita series. Let's begin with the chapter. So in the 17th chapter, the Shraddha has been talked about, means the Vibhag Yoga. Description of three kinds of faith has been spoken about by Lord Krishna to Arjun, the people who possess a demonic nature and who has Devta kind of nature, who has Asur kind of a nature, that has been briefly spoken about. Then there are description of taste of food at three types of persons of the modes of goodness, passion and endurance has been given. Then in 17th chapter, Krishna has talked about briefly about three kinds of sacrifices: austerity and charity, and what is a sattvic sacrifice, what is a rajasic, and what is a tamasic sacrifice. This is like an important fact in connection with gifts. What kind of gifts that you give to Devta, Asuras, and Tamasic Devi Devta, and what kind of fruits you will get in return. And explanation of the sacred mantra like Om, Tat and Sat, and description of the unreal or not action has been given. And in the 18th chapter, when we move on, we'll get the liberation by renunciation yoga. Description of different views on renunciation and discipline of action. Different type of yogis have given different type of description in this. And what are the connections with actions you have. Description of the discipline of knowledge have been given. I think description of discipline of knowledge has been, I have spoken about it in 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita as well. And description of action with the devotion, when you do concerning of cow rearing, what do natural duties mean, an important fact in 1970, 1964, 1959. And there are a glory of the Gita has given in this 18th chapter, like words, letter and watch in 18th chapter. And description of devotion to God has been talked about, an important fact pertaining to love, 1996. So Krishna has spoken about many gurus, and that's why they have spoken about it. This was all the very, very short summary of each two chapters. I'm gonna bring some more detailed video on each chapter so you can know about it, but this is a short summary that you can know about and take a Gita and read about it. Just stop being lazy because lockdown is going to be end very soon. And so far you have heard my videos on Bhagavad Gita. I hope that you have learned something good about it and something new about it. And Bhagavad Gita is a kind of a book in my opinion. Every time you read something, you learn a new experience, learn thing. Okay, so I just hope, wish you all the best, and do stay tuned with my videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.